Hello everyone, today I am going to make a banana cake. We need 2 ripened bananas, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 cup of oil, half cup sugar, 1 cup flour and vanilla essence is optional. The bananas I am taking are so ripened. Make sure not to overmash the bananas. Do not overmix the batter. The final texture should be like this. Now grease a loaf pan or a cake tin. Preheat the oven at 175 degrees for 5 minutes. I am adding choco chips also. This is a completely optional thing. You can totally skip it. Now our cake goes in. It will be all ready by 20 minutes. The cake was yummy and delicious. We all loved it. Give it a try, you'll love it.